Hello, I'm just going to show you quickly how to readjust your Tag Heuer clasp. So on other clasps you usually have a pin buckle design which you would thread one of these through. But on the Tag Heuer clasps they're a bit different. With the leather you thread it through without any pins and it just squeezes the leather. To get it out, all you want to do is put it at a right angle and you want to slowly wiggle it out left and right, and only pull quite softly because you don't want to damage the leather. So that's it away. So to put it back on, so if you fold the clasp like that, that tells you which way the leather needs to go in. Another way is, and the more simple way, is pointy bit, leather bit. Okay. So what you need to do is hold it at a right angle like you did to pull it out and slowly push it in. Don't push in too hard because you will bubble the leather and it doesn't look very nice. So just keep pushing and wiggle left and right, but put a bit more force on this time, more than you did to pull out. But yeah, this sounds a bit kinky. If there's no video on this, Jesus Christ. Anyway, keep pushing through. And if you want to readjust it, all you'll have to do is now lock it, like so, and you've got a new position. But for me, I'm just going to put it back to the original place. So just push, put some pressure on this bit, and fold away like that. So if you're at this point, what you can do is if you've got a bit of thread on this side, just pull the thread slowly, and then you get to the position you're at, fold it in, and there you go. Usually, if you haven't got a child's wrist like mine, you won't have extra thread here, which is better for the leather over time. So it usually ends at the end of the metal here. But it's not a big deal if you've got a child's wrist like mine. Ta very much.